Ever wondered how millions of applications, web apps, mobile apps, and even enterprise software run smoothly behind the scenes? Java is one of the most powerful programming languages in the world. Today, I'll guide you through an introduction to Java and show you how to set up your development environment so you can start coding right away. Let's get started. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language that has been around for over 25 years. It was created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and is now maintained by Oracle Corporation. But why is Java so popular? Here are some of the Java's key features that makes it popular. Platform independence. Here platform means operating system. Write once, run anywhere on any operating system with the help of JVM. Object-oriented programming helps organize code in reusable structures. Secure and robust, has strong security features and automatic memory management. Multi-threading support handles multiple tasks simultaneously. Java powers web applications, mobile apps, banking systems, and even big data processing, so learning it can open doors to endless opportunities. Java comes in different editions, each designed for different types of applications. Let's quickly break them down so you know which one suits your needs. Java SE, which is the standard edition, is used for general-purpose programming. It powers desktop applications and smaller systems. Java EE, which is the Enterprise Edition, is designed for large-scale applications, like web services and enterprise systems. If you're diving into backend development, this is important. Java ME Micro Edition, optimized for mobile devices and embedded systems, like smart appliances. We will focus on Java SE, which is Java Standard Edition, in this video tutorial series. To start coding in Java, you need the Java Development Kit, which is also known as JDK. JDK includes the Java compiler and Java runtime environment, which is also known as JRE. Go to the official Oracle website and download the latest JDK version for Windows. Open the downloaded exe file, follow the installation wizard and choose the default settings. Click Next until installation is complete. Search for environment variables in Windows Search. Click on Edit System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find or create a new variable Java Home. Set variable value. Set it to the JDK installation path. Add Java to the system path. Select Path and click Edit and click New and add the value %Java Home %bin. Once this is done, we can verify our setup by typing Java version in the command line. The three components JVM, JDK, and JRE often confuse beginners, but don't worry, I'll make it super simple. Think of the JVM as a translator. It takes Java code and runs it on different operating systems. Thanks to the JVM, Java programs can run anywhere. The JRE includes the JVM and libraries needed to run Java applications. But you can't write or compile Java programs with just the JRE, it's only for execution. JDK Java Development Kit. This is what you need for coding. The JDK includes everything: the JRE, the compiler, debugging tools, and libraries to develop and run Java programs. Next, you need an IDE to write and run Java programs efficiently. Here are some great options: Eclipse IDE, popular among Java developers; IntelliJ IDEA, best for enterprise projects; NetBeans, great for beginners; VS Code, lightweight option with Java extensions. For this tutorial, we'll use Eclipse IDE because it's beginner-friendly and powerful. Visit the official Eclipse website, download Eclipse exe file. Run the exe file to install Eclipse IDE. Select Eclipse IDE for Java developers option. Choose your installation folder location. Click on Install. After installation is completed, click on Launch to open Eclipse IDE. Select your workspace location and click on Launch. Let's create a Java project to create our first Java program. Create a Java class file where we will code our first Java program. So the name of the file will be Hello World Java. As part of our first Java program, we would like to print the statement Hello World. To run this program, we have to right-click and click on Run as Java Application. There you go, we have Hello World, printed on the Console tab in Eclipse. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Java development environment and written your first program. Here's a breakdown of Java versions from the beginning till now. Java 1 to 6. Established Java's foundation with Swing GUI generics and better exception handling. Java 7 introduced improved file handling, try with resources for better memory management. Java 8 had major updates, added Lambda expressions, Stream API, and a new datetime system. Java 9 introduced Project Jigsaw modules, making Java more modular. Java 10 introduced local variable type inference. Java 11 streamlined standard libraries and removed deprecated APIs. Java 12 to 16 had incremental improvements, including pattern matching and better memory management. Java 17 added sealed classes for controlled inheritance. Java 18 to 21 enhanced concurrency with virtual threads and better performance tuning. If you're working on a new project, Java 17 or later versions are best. If maintaining an older system, Java 8 widely used may still be relevant. If you want the latest features, Java 21 is the most up-to-date version. In upcoming tutorials, we'll dive deeper into Java syntax, data types, and object-oriented programming. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Java content. See you in the next lesson.